So guys, I'm heading out to Agbokim, going to visit Agbokim Waterfalls. I have to pack my things and find somewhere close by there to stay. I'll see you guys in a bit. We're about to move soon. Soon. They said what I saw on the map is 6 hours though, but they said 3 hours, 30 minutes, 4 hours. So let's see how it goes. Guys, I'm in a bit of luck. We're about to set out. The car has filled up. So these are rubber trees used to make papers, rubbers, plastics. Finally at Agbokim. Finally, I think it took almost 4 hours to get to Agbokim. 3 hours, 48 minutes thereabouts to get to Agbokim. Yeah, so we're finally at Agbokim. So I'm currently at Agbokim Motor Park. It took exactly 4 hours to get here. I'm trying to figure my way out. I've not figured my way out yet, but there was a lady I was with in the bus, and it seems like she knows the way, so she's going to help me with directions. I'm actually waiting for her. Then I can continue. I'll just look for somewhere around here to lodge. Guys, the room is 8K. I'm going to check it out to see what it looks like. It's good. It's okay for 8K a night. Hope your light does not need to go off. Water. What's that? Okay. This is what 8K gives me. I think I'll take it. Guys, we're walking down to the waterfall now. All my wishes will come true.
Yes, not true.
We are getting to the foot of the water. Jesus.
So you can see. Yes. Don't wait.
I made it! I made it! Yes! Guys, I had a lovely time here. It's dry season, right? Now you can see how the waterfall is. Just imagine it's raining season. Imagine like how it's going to be. I think the first one is not even running because it's dry season, so it's seven. It's seven, like 7 waterfalls. I thought we are done, but apparently we're not done. We're going to see number 7. This is the route to number 7.
You can easily bathe here now. This is almost 1 or 2 minutes swimming. You're close. So yeah, you're close to the other side. If your hands are clean, no fear water. Yeah. But if your hands not clean for water, no go near water. Even here, the boat for me don't go.
Mina,
this place is just like what you see is what you get. And people be coming to Nigeria and just be going to Lagos, Abuja. And when I see people saying, oh, I want to visit Lagos, I'm like, there are other places that you can go to, a lot of places that you can go to, and Agbokim is one of them. Don't come to Nigeria without visiting Agbokim. So yes, I'm heading back to my hotel now. I need to look for better afang soup to eat.
A few moments later.
Ten over 10. Guys, this soup was so I had to order for today. Very, very nice and affordable. Guys, I'm setting out early tomorrow, so I'm trying to pack my bag. It's already packed. Please scatter anything. I successfully toured Cross River Day 2. That's the Agbokim Waterfalls. But once it's like 6 a.m., 6:30, once it's daylight, I'm leaving here straight to my next location. I'm not going to tell you guys. I want you guys to have all the suspense in the world, so I'm not going to tell you guys.